We learn from here the Isu, the prohibition of taking interest. In Bab Metzia Daf Ayin Amud Beis in Tosfos, we learn that Malvei Beribis, those people who do take interest from Jews, Einam Kamim Letrias Amesim, they will not get out of their graves. The resurrection, everybody else will, but they won't. But why is that? Explains Rabbi Yonasan Eibschitz and Yarbus Dvash. What do people say about people who lend money with interest? Look, this guy, even when he sleeps, he makes money. His money increases even when he's in bed. He's lying down and he makes money. So what's going to happen in the future? It's time for the resurrection. Everybody gets up. This guy will want to wake up as well. He will want to get up and get out of his grave. But the angel will come to him and say, no, you stay there. Lie down because you keep making money even when you're lying down. All you care about is making more and more money. So stay there in your grave, lie down, and don't worry. You'll keep making more money. Your money will increase. So you stay there. You're not getting out.